Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Friends Cook Up. Today, on the menu, we're gonna have brown stew pork and sweet cassava and sweet potato. Yeah, that's what we have for the menu today. I'm gonna show you how we prepare it, all the seasoning and all the stuff that I'm gonna use. So watch wagwan. And do remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go and subscribe because you don't want to miss out any of the video because I have some epic video coming. As I say, I bring yard abroad. Hope you enjoy the video. Now welcome to the finished dish. So as well you can see right here, guys. Alright guys, see? You use the cassava and then the gravy, you just kinda, you know, dump it in there. And cassava cook good, guys. It's a good cassava. Real nice, soft. Try sweet potato, you know. Same thing with the sweet potato. With gravy. Nice. Really good. Brown stew pork. Tastes really nice, guys. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So, right now, I'll go and enjoy the food. So, we're checking back in a bit. Alright? Alright, as you can see, lemonade. I don't know what Jamaica would say sugar and water. Lemon, sugar, and water. Yeah. But yes, the brown stew pork was nice. All the seasoning that I put on it, the scallion, the thyme, and the garlic. Oh gosh. Yes guys, so make sure you share up the video, like up the video, and you tell a friend, and you tell a friend, and you tell a friend. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go and subscribe, because we have so much video coming and you don't want to miss out. Because we say we are bringing yard abroad. So when you see a yard, we're going to show you so we can get it abroad too. Yeah man, so thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bless.